Hello and welcome to this unboxing video by Stuart Walton of Get Pro Copy. Today I've just received the iPhone 12 Pro Max 256GB as an upgrade from EE, and I'm currently using to film this an 11 Pro Max. So I decided to take the plunge and go for the 12 Pro Max. There's a little bit of confusion in my head about which colour to go for, because I did like the Pacific blue. And I also like the gold, which is almost champagne and white. But I stuck to my old-fashioned principles, if you like, and I went for graphite, which is space grey or black. So I'm just going to unbox this. Usual Apple thing. Very slim box. Carries quite a bit of weight. Very slim box because they don't come with a power charger anymore. So take that off. That's what it looks like. No back protection on it. It's absolutely freezing, but it's snowing here in Norfolk. And in the box, all you've got is a USB-C to lightning cable, the usual Apple warranty, and presumably stickers, which I never use, and just sit in the box. And then on the back, or the front I should say, you've got the Apple screen protector, which is cardboard. So they've got rid of a lot of plastic from there, so I'll just put that away in there. The first thing I noticed is it's remarkably similar to the iPad Pro 11, which I've got. It does have these flat stainless steel edges, which the iPad Pro has, and it almost takes me back to the iPhone 5S that I once had in the past. Underneath you've got the dual speakers, which are beautifully drilled. On the back you've got the triple camera setup, and it has got this ability to take raw photos, and it's got a LiDAR scanner as well, which is apparently better for low light. The size doesn't faze me because I'm a 6'2" male. The size doesn't faze me at all, though I've read that this is bigger than the 11 Pro Max that I'm currently rocking, but it doesn't feel, to be honest, any different. On the side you've got the usual rocker switch for silent mode, the up-down volume, the SIM card holder, and then the power button on the other side. So let's power it up and see how fast it is. There we go, booting. And there we go, that's it. That's what that's already booted up. All I bought so far is a MagSafe skin from Apple, a silicone case, in orange, because that's my brand colour for Get Pro Copy. So if I slot that on now, and it's supposed to have ceramic shield, so it's not supposed to be as scratch worthy as the 11 Pro Max, which it does end up with lots of hairline scratches on. But I'm gonna stop the video now and start setting it up because it's quite exciting.